In this video I'm gonna attempt to do my everyday makeup in just 5 minutes. Usually I would say I spent 15 to 20 minutes, and when I only have 5 minutes I usually just do my eyebrows and then I'm out the door. What I'm gonna focus on is mainly my base makeup and my eyebrows. So if you want to see that, then keep watching.
I didn't know we were in the information society.
I'm already wearing moisturizer and lip balm, but I don't have any makeup on my face yet. I have my phone here. My mom's calling. Hi Mom. I have my phone here set for 5 minutes, and I guess there's nothing else to do but to start now. First I'm going in with concealer for my under eyes, and I'm using the NYX Full Coverage Concealer Jar. And here I realized that my beauty sponge was too damp. Then I'm going in with primer, the NYX Pore Filler primer. It's good for mattifying the skin. Then I'm going in with some more concealer to cover up my blemishes. And here I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 10 Light. And I'm just blending this one with my fingers first, and then I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge once again. Here I'm just setting my face with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder in the shade 00 Transparent. And here I realized that half the time was already gone. Now I'm filling in my brows with my NYX Micro Brow pencil in the shade Espresso. And this is taking a long ass time. Lastly, I'm gonna go in with some bronzer, and I'm using my Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush palette in the shade Golden Sugar. The timer's done. I thought I would be able to do more, honestly. Like, I didn't even get to do just a little bit of highlight or set my eyebrows, or considering I normally take like 5 minutes to just do my eyebrows, I think I did okay. I think I managed to get my base done rather good. I mean, my eyebrows have seen better days, and so has my bronzer. But you know, if you're in a rush and you don't want to look dead, I would definitely recommend prioritizing the concealer. You know, sometimes the days where you only have 5 minutes to do your makeup are also the days where your skin just is not having it. So it was nice to see like how far I could push it. I hope I was in focus. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in my next one.
That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the information society.